Where people used to use brass and copper utensils for eating and drinking earlier, now fancy ceramic utensils have taken their place, which look very beautiful. But do you know how they are made in the factory? Some people believe they are made from smooth clay, while others say they are prepared. So, let me show you how ceramic utensils are made in the factory. Before making these utensils, their molds are prepared. For this, a mixture of wet clay and pop plaster of Paris is made. This mixture is thoroughly and skillfully blended. From this mixture, all the molds are created, which are then used to make the utensils. The size of the mold depends on the size of the utensil to be made. This mixture is poured into large molds and left for 5 to 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, the molds for the utensils are ready. They are stirred in between to ensure no lumps form. Once they are dry and ready, they are tapped out of the molds with the help of wood and left to dry for about 2 hours. Once dried, the process of making the utensils begins. For this, a large roller machine is used to prepare another mixture, which includes smooth clay, aluminum oxide, pollen, calcium carbonate, silicon carbonate, pop, and gluten. This mixture is rotated in the machine for 6 hours. Once ready, the mixture is slightly thin, so it is thickened using another machine. The mixture is poured into this machine for 30 minutes, after which thick sheets are formed. To make the mixture even smoother, it is transferred to another machine. As the mixture is fed into one side of the machine, it comes out perfectly smooth from the other side. Now comes the step of shaping the mixture into utensils. For this, the mixture is taken to another machine where molds are used. The mixture is poured into the molds and an iron rod is used to shape it beautifully. The molds are then left to dry. Once dried, the utensils are removed from the molds one by one. Next, handles are added to the utensils. The handles are also made from the same smooth clay mixture. Each handle is attached and left to dry. After drying, the utensils are cleaned by dipping them in smooth clay water and then left to dry again. Once dry, the painting process begins. Here, you can see each cup being beautifully painted with designs so that when you drink tea or coffee from them, you feel a sense of joy. Some cups are even painted with 2 colors, making them look very attractive. After painting, the cups are dried for 6 hours. Then, they are cleaned again and a white chemical is applied to give them a glossy finish. You can see the cups being dipped inside and out into this chemical mixture to achieve shine. Next, the cups are ready to go into the kiln. Thousands of cups are loaded onto a large trolley, which is then pulled like a train to the kiln. The cups are placed in the kiln for a full 12 hours. As new cups are added to the kiln, the finished ones start coming out automatically. Here, you can see the cups that are already ready. First, they are taken out onto trays to cool. Once cooled, the packaging process begins.